Hi, my name is Daniel Williams, and I'm a fair housing attorney at Project Sentinel. Project Sentinel is a nonprofit fair housing agency with the mission of developing and promoting fairness and equality of housing for all persons. For more information on our service areas and how to contact us, please go to our website at www.housing.org. Today, I'd like to talk briefly about fair housing protections for families with children. What is familial status? One of the lesser-known protected categories under federal law is familial status. Familial status protection applies whenever a person under age 18 resides with a parent or legal guardian. Pregnant women and families in the process of adopting or getting custody of a foster child are also protected. How do fair housing laws protect families with children? Familial status protections allow children to be children. Since familial status is a protected category, housing providers cannot deny rental applications or evict tenants solely because minor children reside with a tenant. Rules that unreasonably burden families with children, like strict rules against playing and noise, and rules that require supervision at all times, may also violate fair housing laws. Can a housing provider deny my rental application if I have too many children? California Department of Fair Employment and Housing, or DFEH, takes a look at multiple factors to determine whether an occupancy policy violates fair housing rules protecting families with children. DFEH follows the 2+1 guideline, meaning an occupancy limit of 3 people per bedroom may be permissible. Apart from this guideline, DFEH may also consider the size and configuration of a unit, the number and ages of children, and the strain and burden added occupants put on a building's septic, sewer, and other systems as factors in determining whether an occupancy limit violates fair housing rules protecting familial status. When can a landlord make rules that prevent children from playing outside? The key to whether a rule affecting children playing or making noise violates fair housing laws is whether the rule is unreasonable. A rule that prevents children from riding a bicycle in a busy parking lot may be a reasonable rule that promotes child safety. Can a landlord require that parents supervise children at all times? Rules that require children to be supervised at all times likely violate fair housing laws. Parents should generally be allowed to decide how closely they supervise their children. That said, an apartment complex can require all persons under 14 to be supervised by an adult while the child is using a swimming pool. How can Project Sentinel help families experiencing familial status discrimination? Apart from informing clients about their fair housing rights, we can investigate claims of familial status discrimination by interviewing other tenants and sending testers to confirm familial status discrimination. If you experience familial status discrimination, please contact Project Sentinel. Call 888-324-7468 or email us at fairhousing@housing.org.